Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah.
All systems continuing to function well.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Daddy, yeah.
All systems continuing to function well.
Random rewards rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Doge Daddy.
How you doing, guys? Oh yeah, I do like the pump. 1.66% up. Beautiful. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. How you guys doing? There we go. There we go. How's everybody doing, chat? I see everybody's fired up. And whoever was here in Bitcoin Daily today early, was it? Did we do Bitcoin Daily? Yeah, we did do Bitcoin Daily today. It played exactly like we said it's gonna play out. Really, really nice. Hope everybody's doing well. Right now we got this double bottom. It's breaking towards upside. There is resistance, but the most important thing is the 4-hourly up here is breaking towards upside. We got 24 minutes left. 24 minutes left, and then it's closed above the resistance level. This is pretty much it. Now you might believe, if you're some kind of bear following Savvy and Capo and Garrett Soloway and all of these bears, that for whatever reason we're gonna go below 50k. There is no 50k. There is no below 50k, guys. There is no below 50k. Right now we're sitting at, we went down to 50.9. I said, you know, there is good chance to come all the way down to, you know, 50.4, 50.6 down here. You know, this is the best we could do. The best we could do. The best bears could do. The absolutely best. I mean, they couldn't. This is the best they could do. That's how much bears managed to push the price down. 50.9. 50.9. How can you be bearish when bears cannot even push it below 50k? You're talking about 38k, you're talking about 40k, 45, 47, some other, you know, very, you know, optimistic bears thinking like, yeah, I'll do good with, you know, 48k. There is no number below 50k, guys. No number below 50k. It's just going. It is just going. Hope you're doing well, guys. Who is in the chat? Let's see up here. Andrew, how you doing? Dodge Daddy. 50 minutes later, dump to 50k. I don't think this is gonna dump. That's why I say, as you see in the title, Bitcoin, it's happening. It's going right now. And I think this might be it. Now, can we dump down below 50k? Anything can happen. But probability for that right now is really, really, really small. Well, Lambo, bro. I don't know. Soon. This is the Lambo move. It's starting the bull. It's here. Fake pump. Somebody don't believe it. One time, you gotta tell me, did you buy? Are you in the market right now? Or are you like Capo, sitting on the sidelines, totally out of the market? Oh man, this is gonna be nice. Where is the Capo tweet? We gotta post the Capo tweet. Where is it? Where is it? Here. There is the tweet. There is the Capo tweet, guys. I've taken profits on all altcoins position. I'm totally out of the market now. The Capo is out of the market. We can pump. February 23rd. Right over here somewhere. 23rd. He was actually... Did he miss this move towards upside? 23rd. He's out of the market up here, and right now we are sitting all the way up there. February 23rd. So we can right now pump. Didi, how you doing, man? Pump and dump. There is no dump, only pumps. We can hope. I like this song. Of course, everybody likes this song, man. Favorite song to hear on a 20-minute loop. Please keep live chat on. Live chat on is right now. An emergency stream, you know, it's fine, you know, because we need, you know, excitement. Start the stream dead. There we go. It's already over, guys. It's not over, just starting. 21 minutes left on the 4-hourly close, so we're gonna check out what's happening. Let's trap the bulls. Raphael, no. Yo, what's up? Our newest member, Densite Web Design. Let's go, Densite. What's new memes y'all buying? We buying everything, man. We buying everything. Beautiful, man. Andrew, TLA. Wow, there's a lot of people talking in the chat. Welcome. We've been through the bear market together. Now we go through the bull market together. Exactly, exactly. Now we go through the bull market. We've been through it, everything, guys. We've been through everything. If you look at the chart over here on the weekly time frame, of course, we've been through the entire, you know, bull market up here at the top, you know, over here, all the way down to the bottom, buying the bottom like crazy, telling everyone how stupidly bullish we are, and right now we're going to 60k, guys, 60k. We've been through everything. Blue balls to the max. Yo, Kick TLA, how you doing, MTM? Cheats, yo, what's up? Hello from Greece. Wow, there's a lot of chat. Short squeeze coming, 1 billion in shorts at 53k. No. 53k, there was like 2 billion in shorts at 53k for not so long ago. You know, we took out that, those levels. It says 52.9 over here, but by it was 53k. So, you know, those shorts are out already, I think. Right now, it's only 60k, guys. It's only 60k. Easy with the chat, guys. I cannot go through everything. How are you? Good. Altcoins soon. Yeah, altcoins are already pumping. Like, if you've seen, like, for the last 2 days, I've been making 10 videos a day. And I'm going to continue making 10 videos a day because I want to pump my sub numbers to over 100k so I can quit my day job. So that's the plan. It's full moon pump. Do we have the moon chart over here? Oh, look at that. Look at a beautiful moon, guys. Look at a beautiful moon. Look at the beautiful moon. The sun is rising on the crypto land. Looks like a pump and dump. Would love a retest on that trend line. No. This trend line over here, retest down here. I mean, that is probable. And we're gonna talk about it in just a second. The bears are in disbelief. I think so, man. Never underestimate the power of the moons. At least not in the bull market. The thing is, don't underestimate the power of the full moons in the bull market, and don't underestimate the power of the new moons in the bear market. That should be the best adopted. TL, I was playing Helldivers and I got an alert, TL live, and also Bitcoin pump. Good Monday, sir. Good morning. How you doing, man? We actually have alerts on. That's actually very good because none of my videos got alerts on. So right now there are alerts. That's very good. It's 56k could be stopped. No, 58k. I'm gonna show you what I saw you change strategy with the alt videos. Keep it up. It's the way. Yeah, I had to change the strategy. I mean, in previous bull market, you know, I did, you know, 3-4 videos a day. And that worked fine, but the guy that did, you know, 10 videos, he got, like, you know, 10 times more, you know, subs than me. So, you know, I'm gonna change that. Superman to Superman. I don't know who Superman is. I think I know who Superman. That was the guy who was doing YouTube's previously. You will get there. Eventually. Let's turn the volume a little bit down over here. There we go. Now we can chat actually what's happening in Bitcoin. And why are we so stupidly bullish, guys? Why is this emergency stream right now? And this is because this is actually breaking towards upside. Now, if you had been here a little bit earlier today, before I posted, you know, 10 altcoin videos. By the way, guys, there are 10 altcoin videos on my channel for today. Before I actually posted, we did a Bitcoin daily, which we do very so often. And we said that this move up here is a little bit too quick. So over here, let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. So there was this move going towards downside over here. You can see up here, you know, this is 8 o'clock. This started 12 o'clock move. But it was going towards downside over here. It was going a little bit too quick for my taste. And there is the support down here. So we said this is very likely over here. Some kind of double bottom over here. And then it goes towards upside. Because if you see it over here, there was some kind of line over here, you know, you can technically say there's some kind of line up here, and it goes down over here, you know, and does, you know, maybe you can call this triple bottom down here, but, you know, double bottom over here, and then it goes towards upside. And that's actually what happened. We are now bounced towards upside. Now the reason we said that this might actually hold, this support might actually hold, is because we are in the bull market. Everybody is underestimating the bull market. Everybody thinks for whatever reason that every single support is going to drop down, and that's not how it works. In the bear market, every single support drops down, but in the bull market, when you're stupidly bullish, every single support actually holds, and you just pump even higher and higher. And we said also another reason why we cannot go below, the reason we can't go below 50k. So down here, you know, this 50k. The reason we should not go below 50k towards downside over here is because everybody wants to buy, guys. Everybody and their grandma wants to buy Bitcoin. Everybody wants to buy, and there is absolutely no way they can push the price down right now, because there is so much, you know, there is so much bullishness right now, and it's going very, very nice. So over here on the after today's daily, you can actually see that we actually indeed in fact managed to close above the 10 moving average. Now you can see this actually very, very nicely, so I'm gonna do it like this over here. You can see this you know, this point over here, and you'll see that we close technically above that, and right now we are pushing towards upside. Now it looks like we opened below it, but that's because the candle is a big fat candle towards upside. But this week on the downside is stupidly bullish, guys. We went with the wick, we retested these low areas again, and how many times have we been on the downside? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. This is the 5th time we are testing the same area down again, and people still don't want to buy the dip, guys. People still don't want to buy the dip, and there is no way how that, you know, any other way this can actually play out. Look here, bullish engulfing candle towards upside, bullish engulfing candle towards upside, higher high over here. This is over here is the drop, bullish engulfing candle, continue up here above the 10 moving average right now, getting above you know, 52.2. Now we still have the daily candle to close over here, but it does look already so good, guys. It already looks so good, man. If you look over here on the chart, on the chart up here, these are the very, very highs. Where is the highest high up here? So right now we are above everything. We got 15 minutes left, so we're gonna check that if this actually closes below or above this, above the chart. We also like the closes. Closes are very, very important where it actually closes. So we gotta check that out. But it does look very, very good, especially this move over here, this spring towards the upside, right? Also there is another right now line up here that's getting broken, something like this over here. You can see up here that we are being you know, going in some kind of downtrend over here. Everybody was expecting that this is gonna break towards the downside, but right now we are breaking this towards upside. Again, a bullish move towards upside. And you know, when it comes to analyzing the charts, technical analysis, all that, it's all about whether you're a bullish or bearish. You break resistance, you're bullish. You hold the support, you're bullish. You break the support, you're bearish. You get rejected by resistance, you are bearish, right? So there is bearishness and bullishness, but it's all based on whether you break certain levels or don't break certain levels, whether you hold certain levels or don't hold certain levels. And right now we are breaking every single resistance and holding every single support, and that to me is stupidly bullish, guys. So this looks legitimately nice, and I think this might be the next move towards upside. So over here we've been waiting for a while right now to actually get to that level. Over here, and as you can see on the bigger chart on the Bitcoin over here right now, we are going towards 60k, guys. I think this is the move. It's happening right now. This is going right now over here to 60k. Now, give or take, because the 58k this is the first level of resistance, and the second level of resistance 61k. So you know, anywhere in the blue box, we are going towards the blue box, but in the middle of that blue box is the 60k level, and right now we are going towards that. Now, there is alternative way how this can actually play out, that we don't stop on the blue box, that we break the blue box and then retest the blue box from the upside. I mean, that is also a probability, but when we get to the blue box, we're gonna you know, pretty much know what's gonna happen next. If you look some here on some kind of RSI up here, this is still, you know, this pullback all the way down to 66 levels over here on this move towards downside, explode towards upside again. But you know, we are looking for the right now for this move to zigzag above the 60 levels over here, 66 levels, and continue towards upside all the way to 90k eventually, right? But the next move right now that's happening is towards 60k, guys, is towards 60k, I think. And unless something should happen over here, and I don't know what's gonna happen, you know, maybe, you know, some kind of, you know, bearish move down below and close it down over here, like somebody said in the chat, you know, bear trap towards upside, and for whatever reason pulled back. I don't see any reason why we should pull back. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin is right now up 1.82%, but I don't see any reason why we should pull back, guys. I literally don't see that. Let me just change the music a little bit up here. over here, so we don't play Dodge there in loop. There we go, we play this on loop. I don't see any reason why we should pull back. Like you had the chance to buy over here, you had the chance, like you had so many chances, people had so many chances to buy. I mean, if you've been following the channel, you probably already bought, right? There has been so many chances to buy these dips, guys, so many chances. And most people, you know, fail to buy the, you know, because they are bearish, they're bearish. And I keep telling you guys, you can't be bearish in the bull market. You can't, you know, post-traumatic bear syndrome. You know, that is a thing. People still think like they thought in the bull market, but that's actually a good thing for us. We want people to think that this can go down, because once they don't think that this can go down, once we get to, you know, something like, you know, 90k and everybody thinks that it can just go up, that's pretty much the top. So, you know, we know how we're gonna know when the top is in. When everybody thinks it just can go up, that is the top. Post-traumatic bear syndrome. Yeah, exactly. I love you, Dodge Daddy. DJ Crypto, how you doing, man? Don't sleep on Jupiter and Uranus into your... Bitcoin je bog, to je to. Stefančić, kaks. To the moon. Hamza, what's up, Hamza? 68 by halving. I think it might be actually the case. There is a theory up here that we might actually hit 68k, right? So we have this these levels up here, and this is the halving right now. And like we said right now, this is the just next to 60k is just next to resistance level. Resistance levels are there to be broken. Everything gets broken in the bull market. Right over here, there was a whole bunch of resistance, but in the bull market, everything gets broken eventually, right? Even this pullback, even this over here got broken, even this here got broken. Like everything gets broken in the bull market until you pick up every single liquidity of the retail that actually comes your way. So the way I see this, I mean, this is just, you know, resistance that needs to be broken. But whether we're gonna, you know, get rejected from that, or we're gonna break that and retest that, or we're gonna go all the way up here towards upside and then pull back some kind of bigger move towards downside over here and then go towards upside. How this actually gonna play out, that kind of depends. But you know, this move up here is pretty legit, and it's not big move, guys. It's not big move. Right now, that's only like 13% towards upside. We had like 13% candles all the time over here again. Like this candle over here on the weekly time frame, these are weekly candles. Like this is exactly 13% candle. And right now we are looking at that move towards upside. It's gonna be actually a little bit bigger because from downside over here, 15% candle, but it's totally probable. I don't know why, but your stream keeps freezing like every 2 minutes. Is it my stream? Is it on your side or my side? Like everybody, guys, is the stream freezing? Just say in the chat. Maybe it's my PC, I don't know. Maybe it's your PC. Beats all-time high. Might be that. We are going in straight line to 1 million. Why not? I'm bullish. You know, if your million kicks in, you know, I'm gonna be fine. Test the blue box, then moon, baby. It's not going. I'm going to hang on your stream to see it remains below 53k. It might just touch the 53.1, but then it will drop back. I thought you were better than this, man. You're on the wrong stream, man. Capo is that way, you know. Savvy is that way. No, we don't care. We don't care about these bears. They think, you know, every single pump is gonna drop down. They don't know. Everyone, me included, thought it was going down. It ain't. This guy's the man. There you go. Everybody thought it's gonna go down. And you know what I say? It's always like that. Like at that support level that you thought, you know, if it loses this support level, it's gonna go down. This is it. It's just a little bit more down and it's done. And it doesn't do that. It holds support and it pumps because it's a bull market. Good here. Gordon. Nice. And I'm okay, smart guy. What's your reason? Explain. He has no reason. There, you know, from time to time, people come in the chat, you know, they just scream, it's gonna go down, it's gonna do this, it's gonna do that. Like, until it doesn't do that, and then they stop, you know, screaming. ETFs. Hi, man, what do you think of chilies? Not so much, man. Right now, Bitcoin is old money. And do you know what I noticed when Bitcoin started pumping towards upside? Because I was watching, you know, other altcoins over here, and I noticed, for example, Pixel up here was a little bit more up here towards upside over here. And suddenly, when Bitcoin started pumping, this pulled back towards downside. The same thing happened with Ape. When Bitcoin started pumping, Ape went down as well, and I think a couple other coins went down at the same time. So when Bitcoin kind of technically just, you know, scooped up liquidity from altcoins to pump 2-3% towards upside. Put my downwards in 729, it works. Okay, so it's probably your, ISP. No stream is okay. 100k daily can income is straight to a million. To me neither. Hoping to make my money back. Just gave my reason. Stock market. Don't be that guy, man. Stock market is doing well. We've been looking at watching stock market as well. Stock market is doing exceptionally well as well over here. Stock market is also going towards upside. This is Nasdaq, so you're probably gonna say, oh, that's because of the Nvidia. Sure, man. This is Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also going towards upside over here, and ESP 500 as well is still continuing going towards upside. No, but it's overextended. It's above the all-time high. It's gonna pull back down. Pull back down and go up. You think VeChain can be the one way to go up big again? I don't know how much it can go. Like I did made a altcoin video today. You can check it out. By the way, guys, there are 10 videos out there on my channel right now that I posted today. You can check them out. I think everything is gonna go up. The question is how much. That is the question we try to figure out. How much is the stuff gonna go up, right? How much? Bitcoin closed a weekly above the golden pocket. It's all obvious cycle that has led to the new all-time high within 10 weeks. Well, if you believe in golden pockets and stuff like that, I mean, man, that's on you. I believe in trend lines, so there is that. I lost all my savings, gave up. Time to move on. How did you lose your savings, man? I want to know. What happens to the market when they hit peak like Dow Jones? Yeah, jeez. What do you mean what happens to the market? Nothing. It continues pumping towards upside. You forgot. Markets are manipulated. Pump song. Exactly. Stock market is going to continue up. Everyone waiting for Nvidia crash. Bears get wrecked. Yeah, exactly. I'm telling the story over and over again. Apple hit $1 trillion in market cap. Everybody thought it's gonna go crash. I said this is the most obvious short of all time. Did it go down? No. It had maybe a pullback and it just continued above $1 trillion. Like it was insane, right? So I learned my lesson back then when Apple was $1 trillion. So I'm not, gonna try and say that Nvidia is gonna go down just because it hit some kind of round number like $2 trillion. About to hit 53. Right now we at 52.7. Right now we're sitting at 52.7 up here, 52.78, give or take. So it's very, very nice. But we still got 5 minutes left on the 4-hourly candle. 4-hourly candle, guys. 4-hourly candle is gonna close above the resistance levels. 53.1 is the absolute top for Bitcoin. NM, stay in the chat, please. NM, stay in the chat, please. Stay in the chat. Stay in the chat. NM says 5. Wait. How do I do this? Where is it? 53.1k is absolute top. Okay, we're gonna put it in the red because you're a bear, right? Says there we go. Absolute top. NM says 53.1k is absolute top. Absolute top. Okay, absolute top. He said that, not me. He said it live on chat. Where is it? We're not gonna put short term. We're just gonna put it like alarm clock, something like that. No, I missed. There we go. Just said NM says 53. Okay, we got the line. We got the line. NM, stay in the chat. 53.2 and crash. Which channel time hanging on for sentimental reasons? Don't do that. Yeah, I mean, I held on for a long time on EOS for sentimental reasons, but at one point I was like, nope, not doing this. When Bitcoin went down to 3k, I was like, man, forget about this. So, there is that. I learned my lessons, so we all learn our lessons eventually. Man, look at a candle. Yeah, this candle up here, this is a 4-hourly candle right now, just from the open to close, it's 3.5% from the very bottom to the very top. From the very bottom to the very top up here right now, it's 3.66%. So we pumped 3.66% in a very, very short span of time. So this is 2 minutes left. So 2 minutes left. Why I sell Bitcoin and Bitcoin at 11? Show me the market cycle evidence to support your theory. I got 1,700 or 800 videos on YouTube. You're welcome. And you all left. Stay in the chat. You gotta pump it up. Enemy is upset. That's okay, we're here for you, bro. Show me the market cycle theory to support Bitcoin at new all-time high. You can't just say up forever. I can't say, it's not gonna go up forever. I mean, we know that. We are looking for the top, but, you know, 53.1 is not the top, man. Let me put a long in absolute top. Mate, do you want to join European Cardano Town Hall as a guest and present your channel or talk about whatever you like? Let me know if you're interested. I like Cardano. I know there is a Norwegian crypto channel called Crypto Labs. Crypto Labs. This is the channel. Crypto Labs. Guys, if you are Norwegian, if you're from Norway, Sweden, Denmark, you speak Norwegian, you want to learn Norwegian, you like, you know, Scandinavia, check out this channel, Crypto Labs. These guys are extremely good on fundamentals on, you know, crypto. That said, they're also very big on Cardano. But Studio Malaka, mate, unfortunately, not gonna do that, you know, that's not my thing, man. You know, I like what I do. Thanks for the invitation, though. Everybody's sleeping on CKB. CKB's also been pumping lately. CKB up here. 1 minute so we can check out CKB. CKB is pumping up here on the weekly time frame like crazy, man, like crazy. And the reason CKB has been pumping up here is because we broke the accumulation zone towards upside. So this over here was accumulation zone. We broke the accumulation zone towards upside. And look what happened, man. 253%. If you think that, you know, these altcoins that are not out of the accumulation zone are not gonna pump like 200-300%. 4-year cycle just a new all-time high 2024. We are in 2024, man. Absolute top is breakout low. I sold Bitcoin during the previous bull run, then sold at 50, 65k, bought a shit ton of alts. Then if Bitcoin goes to 100k, why would I stay for that profit margin? Now, dude, we like Bitcoin because it pulls everything with it. It's not necessarily that we own tons of Bitcoin. We are not Bitcoin maxis. Like, we got tons of altcoins, right? But we like Bitcoin going up because everything goes up. Leverage. New all-time high. 3, 2, 1. Let's go and check out the candle, guys. Let's go check out the candle. Right now sitting at 52.8. This is getting extended like you know what. 3 seconds up here. 3. There we go. Close. There we go. We got our close. Full candle close. No weak close. Pulling back right now. Yeah, we're gonna keep on streaming just to, you know, break that 53.1. So there is that. Look at that candle, man. Look at that 1 hourly candle. That 4 hourly candle, man. That's a big ass. And look at this 4 hourly candle. It has no wick on the upside, guys. It has no wick on the upside. Like there are always wicks on the upside. This has no wick on the upside. This is bullish. This is very, very bullish. Theory, we are in wave 3. We don't do, you know, Elliott waves on this channel. It is up until 1 billion, then sideways forever. I see you've been watching Michael Saylor lately. That's good. Looking at it is ready to break out. Yeah, I did make a video about VeChain. Guys, again, there are 10 videos on my channel and altcoins, and VeChain is one of those. VeChain is already out of the accumulation box, guys. VeChain is already out of the accumulation, but this accumulation box, it already broke out. It already had a retest, and right now it's going to the first resistance level. And once that is broken, it's gonna go next to, you know, 0.7, 0.8. So VeChain actually looks very good, but it's out of the accumulation box already. And I'm starting to sweat. Let's see if, you know, during the stream we can actually break that. Look at that candle. There is no wick. There is no upper wick, man. It's green again. we do it like this. We break 53.1. You join the TI fans club. You get the link. You join my Telegram group. I'm gonna give you the link. Okay. If we do that, you join our Telegram group, and then you can learn a little bit about lines. Okay. You can educate us on the fundamental side. We can educate you on the, you know, on the lines side. And, you know, everybody's happy. By the way, guys, we also got a, you know, public Telegram channel. If you want to join that, you're welcome to do that. There's a link up there somewhere, you know, TFN's Club. But we also got a private Telegram group. Been there at 20k, at 15k, buying like crazy. Telling everybody that this the, you know, accumulation zone. So that is that. Oh, god damn it. It's going down. Unfortunately, you know, we are not getting a new member today, guys. Unfortunately, not getting a new member today. Unfortunately. Anand! TLA, been long. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, old people that have been here in previous bull market right now coming back. That's actually very good. Bitcoin is straight. Altcoin is where you want to be. What are you doing on the stream if you sold the top? No, I didn't. He has altcoins. He has altcoins. He just likes to, you know, be right. He yells a little bit, but it's okay, man. It's okay. If we go above 53.1, we get a new member at TM Fans Club. Isn't this great? Bull market when XRP going to move. XRP is actually getting, you know, XRP is actually ready to move. Believe it or not, right? Believe it or not, XRP is ready to move. Like how much, you know, down here can it zigzag? You know, that's the question, right? Why this not, pressing enter. So you see down here, yeah, XRP is ready to move. Like it is holding the support level down here very, very nicely. So, you know, it can still continue up here for a long time, but, you know, it's ready to move. Technically, it can go. So, you know, they're just manipulating, holding it down for a little while longer before it actually goes. But, you know, it can move. If it wants to move, it can move. There is no reason why it should not move. You know, this is XRP, and XRP has one of the bullish charts in market. Ever since Bitcoin capitulation down here at 37 or something like that, XRP has actually been going steadily towards the upside. So if you bought the Bitcoin capitulation, you would right now be up something like, you know, 87% towards the upside. I mean, that's nice. A lot of altcoins are still not down from the Bitcoin capitulation, you know, so there is that. Alts are God. Don't buy Bitcoin here. What's wrong with that? I'm trying to say, don't buy Bitcoin. What's wrong? No, there's nothing wrong with that, man. There's nothing wrong with that. And we do understand that, you know, upside for Bitcoin right now is very limited. The money is altcoins. So, you know, if you got, you know, a couple of billions left over, you know, Bitcoin might be, you know, very nice because, you know, you're going to get something like, you know, 70, 80%, maybe 100% towards the upside. So you double your money. By the end of the bull market. On the other hand, if you don't have a couple of billions, you know, in savings, maybe you got a, you know, couple of hundred. Yeah, you're not gonna get, you know, that you know, fuck you money, as they like to say it. So, you know, maybe Bitcoin is not the best bet. Why are there so many lines over here? This line, remove this line. It's broken, guys. It's already broken. The resistance is broken. The trend line over here is broken. Everything is broken. The only thing that's not broken right now is the daily time frame over here. But, you know, we need to wait for this up here to actually go. Try to explain to me, to my wife, that Bitcoin is the tide that rises all ships. I don't know when my wife was convinced that, you know, Bitcoin is the way. But, you know, I think at one point, you know, she was just, you know, you know stuff, just do you know. What are the targets for XRP? Targets for XRP, it's the channel, man. But the most important line, I think it's the 0.7. Yeah, it needs to get above 0.70 up here. So the big pumps up here, I think it might actually go up here, but this is the big pump because of these levels over here. So 0.7, it needs to get above 0.7 for the big quick pumps. You know, I'm thinking like 1.76 is very, very high. But you know, $1 up here, the blue box up here, I think it's definitely gonna get to the blue box. I'm a little bit unsure where it's gonna get above 1.6. If it goes above all-time high, that means that I was wrong on XRP, and this is just gonna, you know, explode towards the upside. But how high, I don't know. Ape is pumping, yeah, Ape is pumping. Ape was up 10% today. Right now it's 8%, so it's taking a little bit down. It's not that much up. So, you know, but, you know, even Ape has a very nice, you know, spring towards the downside. You can see this spring, a bullish engulfing candle above the resistance levels. Very bullish. Everything is so bullish, guys. How can you not see that? Everything is so bullish. Cardano to $10. I don't know, man. Maybe. If you notice the moon cycle, guess what Venus cycles draw the Fib pentagram? Probably random, though, right? I don't know, man. You are way above my, you know, knowledge on the universal, you know, lines. But, you know, we just look at the moons, man. New moon, full moon, super moon, micro moon, that's it, you know. Anything else, yeah, like Uranus, Saturn, whatever. There was one time when we called it on the dollar, you know, the Bitcoin bottom, right? 22nd November 2020. So over here, we called, people who have not been here, they don't know, but we've been shilling the 22nd November because of reasons. I'm gonna show you the reasons. Now you might think this is wrong, but you know, the 22nd November up here was the, you know, 22nd November up here was the literal bottom down here for Bitcoin, right? This is the literal bottom, 22nd November. 22nd November. And the way we found out the date, not the number, but the date, was by looking at how the planets are oriented around the sun. I'm not even joking, guys. This is legit. We found the exact date when Bitcoin is gonna bottom out. 22nd November, been chilling it for a long time, watched the 10 seconds, and we came down there on the dollar and pumped. That was good times, man, good times. What is it? Oh no, oh. What's happening? 53? Oh! Did you see that 53-1 above the 53-2? Still pumping. NM, you gotta join my channel. You gotta join my Telegram group. I'm gonna give you a new member. There we go. We got a new member in the TF Fans Club, guys. There we go. Very, very nice. Very nice. 53.1. New member. Here comes the dip. Congratulations, man. You're welcome to join the channel. I'm gonna enjoy having you in our chat. 53.3, pumping 3% up, no dumps, extremely bullish. I don't know how didn't you see this, man. It's good, Kiram. There you go. Even Damien like us. So yeah. Told you this absolute top. We gotta play again. We are about 53k, so we gotta play again the song. Where is it? There we go. Please. There's Cardano video on my channel. Go check it out. There are 10 altcoin videos on the channel, guys. Today I made 10 altcoin videos. Go check them out. Goodies, welcome to the TF Fans Club. We got a new member. All good job. Goodies, how you doing, man? It's not stopping. Let's go 54k. Can we do 54k, guys? I don't know. Maybe you should guys can. Nah, we're not gonna joke about it. He called the targets. He said no higher than 53.1. He was wrong. We were right. Life moves on. And I still like you, man. I hope you stay around. I'm not gonna make fun of you, man. I don't do that. But it was funny gigs, for the chat, Now that we are over it, Bitcoin is off 53.3. It's still 53.4, 3.2% towards the upside. Altcoins are still not going. I'm looking at altcoins. Altcoins are actually still not going. I mean, they are going a little bit, but nothing like Bitcoin. I mean, they're still in these moves. But Bitcoin is actually going, guys. Bitcoin is actually going. It is actually happening. Sorry about music. Hey, please do take the piece, man. I'm It's great banter. As long as we see eye to eye, man, we're good. There we go. Bitcoin is up right now. So what do I expect right now from this move up here? I'm looking at the box, man. I'm looking at the box. That's the only thing I'm looking at. I've been looking at the box for a long time. The only question is right now whether it's gonna break the box or not, right? So the resistance up here is legit, 58 to 61.5k, give or take. This is the, this is that. Good things. I do, man. The green name. Enjoy the stream, man. So there is that. Now, do you see it, guys? There is a resistance level. Are we breaking that right now? Do you see these two levels over here? We are above that as well. There is nothing left. Maybe this one up here. Maybe this is gonna stop it. Let's go 12 hour, 10 hour up here. Yeah, this looks good. This looks a little bit better. So maybe it's gonna stop over here. But again, this only creates maybe something like this over here, because this up here. This only creates expanding musical instrument over here right now. So maybe up here, 53.5, maybe it's gonna stop here a little bit and pull back. Maybe, I'm saying maybe because it is really bullish up here. So you can see up here, this is a 10-minute time frame, this is a 5-minute time frame. Look at these candles. I mean, they just explode, especially this last 5-minute candle up here. This 5-minute candle was 1% towards the upside, and it is very steep. Let's look at the volume up here on the chart. If you can pop up, look at it. Look at the volume down here on the 5-minute candle, and it doesn't look weak, guys. It's still gonna go. It's still gonna go. There is no stopping Bitcoin right now. Maybe it's gonna stop. I don't know. It's really hard to figure out when it's gonna stop, because there is no break in the trend over here. Even on the small time frames, like we are on the 5-minute time frame, there is still no break in the trend. Like everything looks fine. The trend is your friend until the trend breaks and the fat lady sings, but the fat lady has not sung and the trend is not broken. and this still keeps on going. So when this line over here breaks, we can call it, you know, some kind of ending, but right now it's not there, man. Right now it's not there, and still going towards the upside. This looks actually very, very nice. Let's see up here. Are we gonna call the top on the dollar when it starts going towards upside? Because this is parabolic move right now up. These parabolic moves cannot actually, you know, live out that long. Let's double this over here towards the upside up here. It looks like it's breaking that, so might actually be creating another one of these, you know, very steep lines towards the upside. I watched your channel for over 3 years since you looked like a hobo. I still look like a hobo, man. Look at me, man. It's okay. You know, the beard is actually a good sign. The beard is a good sign. It's a god candle, guys. We got a god candle on our hands on the daily time frame. Let me just remove this. We got a god candle. Is this a god candle? I don't know how much this candle is gonna be, but right now the candle is, you know, 3% up. But it's 3% up from the open to the close. From the bottom towards the top, it's like 5.4% towards the upside. With the sound effects intro. Yeah, the sound effects were actually good. You know, people always ask me to go back to that, you know, sound effects, but you know, I do know that it's only, you know, good memories, you know, from back in time, you know, nostalgia. But I do enjoy, you know, the new intro is actually very, very good. You know, and I don't have to go like, the late adopter. Not as much as a hobo now, though. You look like a hipster now. I don't know how to take that, man, but it's okay. Thanks for doing what you do. I appreciate the Cardano analysis from the other day. Everett, there is a new one today. Check it out. Told ya, 54 coming. Eric told us. Can we go back to Bitcoin at 15K so I can actually buy instead of being scared of doing zero? Man, I don't know how you missed the 15K and 20K. You were in the chat, man. You were in the chat all the time. How did you miss it? But yeah, it's what I say, you know, you have to buy the fear. At one point you have to buy the fear. And what I've learned over the years is, number one, there's two points to investing. First of all, you have to know what you're buying, right? So if you're buying a company, you have to know that that company is good. Number two, when it goes down, you cannot be in fear because you know that company is good. So you just want low prices. And the way you buy low prices is you have me, the late adopter, this channel, you got technical analysis, you find the bottom on the thing that you think is good, and you know it's good, and you buy that. Loving this pump. I think everybody's loving this pump. Let's see over here if the trend is broken over here right now. There is a huge amount of this pump up here towards the upside up here. Maybe it is over right now for now. I'm not saying it's over right now. But what might happen right now is that altcoins might go right now over here towards the upside, right? So this is a parabolic move towards the upside. Parabolic move always break the trend and pull back. This is a 1 minute parabolic move, so you know, don't take it too seriously up here. Let's go somewhere over here towards the upside. It just might be, yeah, it just might be that it's finished for right now. I'm not gonna say it's finished, but you know, for right now, this is 1 minute chart, guys. 1 minute chart. Don't take it too seriously, okay? But it might pull back a little bit right now. Maybe. It depends on if this channel breaks towards upside. We still haven't broken the trend over here. We're just pulling back over here towards downside. But it is strongly bullish, so you know, we're gonna see. Maybe we get a 5%, 10% candles today. Who knows, guys? Who knows? I gotta go and pick up my kid. I bought Solana at 10. Unfortunately, should buy 400 instead of 4. It happens. Back below 53K by daily close. Okay, no more predictions from you, man. If you want to post predictions, you gotta join our private Telegram chat and post predictions there. Okay? That's the deal. Guys, we got a public Telegram group if you want to join that. It's gonna fill up nicely during the bull market because everybody wants to talk about their coins and meme coins. And we also got a private Telegram group if you want to join that. We've been there in the bear market buying that, you know, that fear, that 20 or 15K Bitcoin. This will be mega bull for alts. So right now what I'm thinking, right now Bitcoin pumped big time. Everybody is really excited market right now. So what I'm expecting right now is not only that I expect Bitcoin to go further towards the upside. I don't know if it's gonna continue today or tomorrow, or if it just be big candle, or you know, in a couple of days. over here. I'm a little bit unsure how this is gonna play out. It's gonna be, you know, a couple of days towards upside over here, maybe pull back in towards upside out here, maybe gonna be do some retest. You know, we're gonna check that out. I'm gonna be in Telegram chat, so you know, we're gonna chat in there. But this pump up here, I think is gonna go to 60k right now. But what I think right now, that right now everybody is super excited about everything and Bitcoin is pumping. Altcoins might actually start going very, very nicely right now. So I'm definitely having my eye on altcoins and checking out. Wow, Theta is up actually 20% today. Wow, what did Theta do in the last 4-hourly candle, man? 22%! I suddenly saw that. Oh man, that's insane. Anyways, guys, this was emergency live stream. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on the way out, and there might be another emergency live stream if something, you know, especially nice happens. But you know, it was fun and gigs. You know, we did what we had to do. The 4-hourly candle did close above the resistance level over here. Over here, the trend over here did break towards the upside. Everything looks nice and dandy, so we're gonna check out how this plays out. There might come a pullback eventually, maybe now, maybe not, I don't know. We're gonna check it out, but you know, there will be more emergency streams. There are 10 you know, altcoin videos on YouTube. Check those out, and have a nice day, guys. I gotta go pick my kid. Boom, TIF fans club. There we go. I'm so bullish, man. You're not getting it. Okay, whatever. Peace, dude. Peace, Damien. Everybody else, it was nice having you guys here. Okay, cheers, guys. Cheers. Where's my outro? Check out the links down below. Bye bye.